In this video, I'll show you how you can permanently delete your X account. Now what you want to do is you want to head over to your x.com and log into your account. Then press on More, go to Settings and Privacy, click on Your Account and find Deactivate Your Account. Click on it, and just so you know, even though it says only deactivate, what happens is when you deactivate it for more than 30 days without logging in, it will be deleted. So just press deactivate right here, and then you have 30 days to change your mind, and you can cancel the deactivation and you can use it again, or after 30 days it will be completely deleted and you cannot use it anymore. Now keep in mind, during those 30 days it will still be, as you see right here, your name, username and public profile will not be viewable anymore, so it's like it's already deleted. Now that's basically how you do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.